Social network analysis, or SNA, is a tool for mapping interactions among people or organizations, such as non-governmental organizations, companies, or public administration. Why can it be useful for readaptive reuse projects? The revitalization of built heritage requires a multi-sectoral collaborations of actors like for-profit organizations, public administration, non-governmental organizations, financing institutions, experts in culture, environment, technology, conservation, and general public. In order to enable such collaboration, first we need to examine a local environment we are working in. So let's have a look. This graph on the right side of presentation depicts basic information about connections among 11 organizations related to the cultural heritage. Here we can see who contacts whom and who is the central actor in the network of communication. One spot is one actor, and every line represents the connection between two specific actors. You can see that some organizations have more connections than others. For example, actors on the right side of the graph are more connected with each other than actors on the left side of the graph. So what are those organizations? When we add characteristics of individual organizations into the graph, we can see that the central position in this network belongs to two public organizations, these green spots. There are many non-governmental organizations in the network, and there is only one business actor, which is, by the way, the least networked actor. The situation here is surely not ideal. What more, we can also investigate how organizations evaluate the collaboration with other organizations. It is an important aspect because adaptive reuse projects need effective collaboration between actors, and there is no collaboration without good communication. So here red lines represent rather bad or bad communication between specific actors, and green lines represent rather good or good quality of communication. When we color links between the actors according to their assessment of quality of the communication, we can see that there is a place for improvement in communication, especially for public administration. Moreover, we could show how specific resources are distributed within the network. Here we can see who shares expertise with whom, and right now we have much deeper understanding of this particular network. The communication of the bad quality is an obstacle in the exchange of resources, such as expertise. Okay, to quickly sum up, what can we see from the network perspective? Who is connected with whom? What are the patterns of resource transfer, such as expertise or knowledge or money? What are the obstacles or communication gaps to fill in? With whom we need to improve communication and exchange of resources, both in detail and in general perspective. And what are the purposes of the network analysis? SNA can be used for two specific types of things: for mapping existing relations among organizations operating in the field of cultural heritage, as well as for evaluation of networking initiatives, such as HIP workshops. Okay, so thank you for your attention.